This morning, hatid namin ang isang banda na mayroong iba't ibang emosyon tungkol sa pag-ibig. Let's all welcome Librans. Welcome sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Thank you so much.
Salamat for joining us. Well, first question, tungkol saan itong single na tutugtugin niyo for today?
Yeah, good morning. Again, we're Librans and we would like to thank Rise and Shine Pilipinas for having us. So our newest single is called Ikaw Lang, and it is a beautiful ballad, OPM ballad about a love, lingering memory of a love that never fades. So we've made sure that hopefully this song is a relatable story about love and loss that survives even after a goodbye.
For sure, marami makaka-relate dyan. And saan nila kayo pwedeng i-follow? Social media accounts, tsaka mga upcoming events.
Okay, so we have our social media page. We have an Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and also a TikTok account. You can follow us at librans.ph, where we post or regularly update our gig schedules and events.
Yan. So, wag na natin patagalin pa. The stage is yours, Librans.
Nagtataka, bakit nakalimutan ka? Nasaan na? Di ba malayo ka na? Pero pagpikit, bakit tila bumabalik? Ang alaala, alam kong nandito pa. Pilitin mang umalis, hindi matitiis. Pilitin mang lumayo, hindi maitatago. Ikaw lang ang katabi, ikaw lang bawat gabi, ikaw lang, ikaw lang, ikaw lang, ikaw lang ang aking buhay, ikaw lang sa araw-araw, ikaw lang, ikaw lang, ikaw lang. Nagtatanong, anong nangyari noon? Bakit ngayon wala nang pagkakataon? Dahil pagpikit, alam kong di na babalik. Ang alaala, alam kong nalimot na. Pilitin mang umalis, sa'yo pa rin babalik. Pilitin mang lumayo, hindi maitatago. Ikaw lang ang katabi, ikaw lang bawat gabi, ikaw lang, ikaw lang, ikaw lang, ikaw lang ang aking buhay, ikaw lang sa araw-araw, ikaw lang, ikaw lang, ikaw lang. Hahanap-hanapin ka, hinahanap-hanap ka, ikaw lamang, ikaw lang ang nag-iisa. Ikaw lang ang katabi, ikaw gabi, ikaw lang, ikaw